In Halakha, numbers are not adjectives. But when it comes to Aggadah, numbers are very often adjectives. Any questions on that?
Practical differences.
Because the lessons can only be learned properly if you unpack the metaphor. If you take it literally, then you'll miss the lessons. If you take it metaphorically, you can unpack lessons on many, many levels. In the Chustayama, which means people go down not to the literal sea, but again to the sea of learning, to the sea of profound understanding. Okay? So the Nuchus people go down to sea, told me, Hi Gala de matba l'sfina. That way which comes and to drown, to sink the ship, you see that it has something like a bright white spark of flame at its head. And we beat that flame, balvasa, with rods, the chakik aleh, which is engraved, Eya asher Eya. Yo Adonai Tzvos Amen Amen Selah. We say that whole phrase. V'naich, and the wave subsides. So this is again an extraordinary statement, and it's unlikely that it's meant to be taken literally. The Marsha already explained. The waves represent the enemies of the Jewish people who come in waves upon us, and the bright white light on the top of the flame. It also has its own interpretation. Everything that Baruch Hu sends as an affliction to us is meant to be something which drives us in the right direction. The Baruch Hu says in the Torah, in the Tochacha, "Batzar lecha matzaucha kol advarim elu v'shavta Hashem Elokecha." When finally, at some point, the anguish will be so great that you'll return to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So there's this white light which represents to us the potentiality which is inherent in each and every wave of tragedy or potential tragedy which can come upon us.